Sack up in our drawers. Real shit, do or die, we gon' risk it all. Driving like a stolen cat, we gon' bust the law. I'm a little day, and I'm about them all. Rob who, take what, huh? Bust them all. This real shit, do or die, he won't catch them all. Trigger happy, catch him lacking, he won't get one off. Pack of wolves, gotta feed him, but I'm the biggest dog, got a big man.
Alright, so what's up, gang? Smoke for 392, back with a video for y'all today. And what we got going on today, we doing a throttle body on my dude's Jeep Liberty. We done rebuilt the front end already. I wasn't vlogging it, but we've been trying to get this thing put back together. I am right now taking the throttle body off, which is throttle body right there. Put the new one on. All you have to do to get access, this little panel sits here, you just take that off, loosen up the clamps on the hose, then you got Andy's over here. I don't know what he on. He came to get somebody's shit. So you really can't see the bolt. I'm loosening it up right now, but basically just loosening up these 4 bolts. Now these 2 at the bottom. These 2 at the bottom gonna be tricky, just because I can't fully get in there at this angle. We gonna see though. Woo. We got the old throttle body out. I don't know where his issue is coming from with that, but yeah, it looked like he running from.
Come on.
Now we just gotta put the new one back on. Alright, so I pretty much already put the hose back on. Hose on. Clamp everything back up. Just clamp on here. I'm trying to do all this with one hand, so forgive me, please. But anyway, and I could have used a socket, a ratchet in a socket, but or an impact or whatever. But just basically want to tighten that down. That tight. Plug the sensor back in. Alright, so that's that. Now I pulled the battery out for this. I'm gonna sit it back to where it goes, but I ain't gonna plug it back up yet. Just cause I don't need that yet. Now we're gonna do a coil pack. Same. So we basically gonna do these coil packs right here. Basically gotta do this one. He getting a misfire from cylinder 3, so we're gonna replace that coil pack too. Value crash, windshield coils. Pulls super easy on some cars. Grab a new coil. Tighten it down. Up in. Lock it. And that's it. It's a coil pack change just like that. We already did the other one, so I didn't record that. It's just a car I've been doing some maintenance on for one of my dudes. He he definitely keeps me busy with this car for sure. So that's that. Throttle body and coil pack change on a 2012 Jeep Liberty. Hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Y'all feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, share. Feel me? Pass it along. If you know somebody that might need help with this fix or just with this little operation. So that's it on this 2012 Jeep Liberty. We did a throttle body and a coil pack. We're gonna end the video off like that. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video, pass it along. Yeah, we're gonna do it just like that. Smoke for 392, I'm out.
We gon' risk it all. Driving like